Top 5 Best Ways to Making Money Online. Hey guys, welcome to our channel where we talk about all things related to making money online. In today's video, we're going to discuss the top 5 best ways to make money online. You're probably watching this video because you're interested in making some extra cash or maybe even earning a full-time income from the comfort of your own home. Well, you're in luck because we've done the research for you and found some of the best ways to make money online. Let's get started. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money online because it allows you to use your skills and expertise to work on projects for other people or businesses. There are many different types of freelancing jobs available, such as graphic design, writing, programming, and virtual assistants. The best part about freelancing is that you can work on your own schedule and choose projects that interest you. The pay can vary depending on the project, but it's not uncommon to make anywhere from $20 to $100 per hour as a freelancer. 2. Selling information products. Information products are digital products such as ebooks, courses, or webinars that provide valuable information to customers. If you have expertise in a certain area or niche, producing an information product can be a great way to make money online. The key to success with information products is to provide high-quality content that solves a problem or meets a need for your audience. The price of information products can vary from a few dollars to several hundred, but once you create the product, it can generate passive income for years to come. 3. Affiliate marketing. If you enjoy recommending products to your friends or family, then affiliate marketing could be a great way for you to make money online. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale that comes through your unique affiliate link. There are many different affiliate programs available in almost every niche, so finding products to promote is not difficult. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to build an engaged audience and promote products that are high quality and fit your audience's needs. 4. Online surveys. Online surveys are a popular way to make money online because they require little effort and can be done at any time. Companies are always looking for feedback on their products or services, so they are willing to pay for your opinion. The pay for completing online surveys varies, but on average, you can expect to make $1 to $5 per survey. While taking surveys won't make you rich, it can be a great way to earn some extra cash when you have spare time. 5. YouTube. YouTube is a great way to make money online if you enjoy being on camera and creating content. YouTube allows you to monetize your videos with ads, sponsorships, and other methods. The key to success with YouTube is to create high-quality content that engages your audience and provides value. You'll need to build a following and grow your channel, but with hard work and dedication, you can make a full-time income from YouTube. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the top 5 best ways to make money online. Whether you want to work as a freelancer, sell information products, do affiliate marketing, take online surveys or become a YouTuber, there are plenty of opportunities to make money online. The key to success with any of these methods is to stay consistent, be patient, and work hard. Remember that making money online takes time, effort, and dedication, but with the right mindset, anything is possible. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.